Hey guys, welcome to iCreate. I'm a new BTS fan and I've been obsessing with them since I've heard Butter, so I bought their collaboration meal with Mcdo. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to upcycle your BTS meal paper bag into a zipper pouch. Watch out and subscribe because I will upload more about upcycling your BTS meal packaging. For the materials, we need 1-piece BTS Mcdo meal paper bag, 1-piece 12-inch zipper, 2 pieces of cold laminating film para waterproof yung pouch natin, scissors, clips, point turner, and squeegee or pwede ding ATM card. So first step of course is i-open natin yung ating paper bag from the bottom para ma-maximize natin. Then i-cut lang natin yung one side so we can open it completely. We can also iron our paper in low heat para ma-lessen yung lukot niya. Just put a fabric or Teflon sheet on top of it para lang ma-sure natin na hindi masusunog yung paper. The next step is ika-cut lang natin yung ating paper bag ng mas malaki ng konti, mga 1/4 to 1/2 inch sa ating A4 size laminating film. So next step, ilalagay lang natin yung ating film sa ating paper. So naglalagay lang ko ng masking tape sa dulo and sa sides para hindi gumalaw yung paper pag naglagay tayo ng film. So peel the backing of your film and wag lahat, mga 1 inch lang para mas madaling kontrolin. Then ilagay nyo lang sa inyong paper, make sure pantay and hindi natatamaan yung masking tape. Then, get your squeegee or ATM card, yun yung gamitin nyo pang press, and using your left hand, yun yung pag-adjust nyo na other side ng inyong film as you work your way hanggang dulo ng inyong paper. So, make sure hindi nyo matatamaan yung mga masking tape and hindi malukot yung paper and film as you go along. After that, cut the excess paper, so sundan nyo lang yung film. And uulitin lang natin yung process sa wrong side ng ating paper. So in this part, ang lalagyan ko lang muna is yung dulo and yung side ng ating paper, hindi kung saan tayo magsisimula. So peel off the backing of your film. And make sure dito na pantay na sila kasi wala na tayong excess paper. Then, i-press lang natin yung film tsaka natin lagyan ng masking. Then, just repeat the process. Next step is, fold your paper in half, right sides together. I-clip lang natin para sure na pantay siya. Then, get a marker and ruler. And from the fold, sa edges ng fold, let's measure 1 cm square and mark it. And ika-cut natin yan, and that will be our base. So, i-cut lang natin. So, it should look like this. So, we will now attach our zipper. So, as you can see, mas mahaba yung zipper natin para hindi tayo mahirapang mag-top stitch later. So, lay flat your paper right side facing up. And on top of that, ilagay lang natin yung ating zipper teeth facing down. So, right sides together sila. Then, just clip it. So, ganyan dapat yung itsura niya. Then, we will sew this in 1/4 seam allowance. So, I'm using a zipper foot and size 14 needle. And I also adjusted my tension sa number 7 dahil iba yung material natin today. So, just sew slowly para pantay and don't forget to backstitch. Then, we will just repeat this step sa other side ng ating zipper. So, make sure right sides together sila, then clip it. And sew this in 1/4 seam allowance. So, kung mas gusto nyo pang matuto sa tension, backstitching, and needle, you can watch my how to use GS2700 video. And again, don't forget to backstitch and just cut the excess thread. Next step is open your zipper completely. Then baliktarin lang natin yung ating pouch right side out, then top stitch lang natin to in 1/8 seam allowance. So again, kaya mahaba yung zipper natin para ma-top stitch natin ng maayos kasi pag sakto lang nandito yung zipper, hindi natin ma-top stitch hanggang dulo. So let's top stitch this in 1/8 seam allowance and use a coordinating thread. And make sure pantay siya kasi visible yung stitch natin dito. Then just repeat this step on the other side. Then, babaliktarin lang ulit natin yung ating pouch, wrong side out, and we will close our zipper halfway. Then, pantayin nyo lang yung sides and tatahiin na natin to in 1/4 seam allowance. So, just clip it and make sure pantay sila. Then, clip the other side as well. So, at this point, I figure out na mali pala yung kinat natin kanina for our base. So, dapat ang tama ay 2 cm by 1 cm. So, mag-a-add lang tayo ng another 1 cm square both sides. So, again, dapat ay 2 cm by 1 cm. So, let's just cut it. And we're good to go. We can now sew the sides in 1/4 seam allowance. And hindi natin tatahiin yung base. So again, don't forget to backstitch, lalo na sa ating zipper area, and make sure pantay yung ating pouch. And just repeat this step on the other side of your pouch. So before sewing the sides, make sure nasa gitnaan yung zipper. And again, don't forget to backstitch, and make sure pantay ang inyong pouch, and huwag nyong tahiin yung inyong base. So just trim the threads and also trim the excess zipper tape. And now we will work on our base. So dapat ganyan ang itsura niya. So gagawa lang tayo ng parang triangle without the tip. And we will just clip it together yung ends para matahi natin. So make sure pantay siya. You can trim the excess paper or fabric if needed. Then just clip it also. Then we will sew this in 1/4 seam allowance as well. Repeat it on the other side. Then just trim the excess thread. So finally, we can now turn our pouch right side out. So carefully and gently lang dahil at this point hindi talaga natin maiiwasan na malukot yung ating pouch kasi gawa pa rin siya sa paper. So dahan-dahan lang, and let's use our point turner to pop our corners properly. So after turning our pouch right side out, we can iron this in low heat to lessen yung lukot niya. And again, let's use a fabric or Teflon sheet sa top ng ating pouch just to make sure na hindi masusunog yung ating project. So just iron both sides of your pouch. And now we're done with our BTS Meal Packaging zipper pouch. If you enjoyed this video, please like, and if you tried this tutorial, please tag me on my socials. I'd love to see your creations as well. Thank you for watching. Have a productive day. Bye!